In the Vilcha area, recent footage shows Russian Air Force reconnaissance operations using unmanned aerial vehicles. In the video, the UAV monitors and identifies the positions of the Ukrainian armed forces in the surrounding area. The clip provides an insight into the dynamics of the situation on the front line, while also showing how reconnaissance technology continues to be used in the ongoing conflict. Next, footage from objective control cameras shows geranium strike drones carving through Chernihiv's power network, hitting both the main thermal power plant and the nearby gas-fired facility. Each impact lands with cold precision, plunging key infrastructure nodes into darkness and marking another severe blow to Ukraine's already strained energy grid. Next, near the border, FPV and Lancet operations were reported to have targeted critical infrastructure, including transformer stations and gas distribution stations. These activities demonstrate how drone technology is now being used for monitoring and interacting with key installations, while also highlighting the significant impact on utility networks in conflict zones. Such successes are often reported on the Russian side. Do you agree? In the Liman sector, a rare Ukrainian Snatch armored vehicle attempted to push forward under cover of terrain, but Russian fire locked onto it instantly, tearing through the hull and leaving the once mobile British carrier collapsing into a burning wreck on the edge of the tree line. In a morning sky above Chernihiv region, the Geran 3 jet is flying towards its target. Amateur video showing a backyard of the house. But after the moment explosion scene, it was geranium's morning strike on an enemy facility in the village of Nezhin, Chernihiv Oblast. Captured by drone camera, Russian pilots successfully destroyed a Ukrainian military base in the village of Vilcha, south of Volchansk. Again, Iskander missiles hit Ukrainian long-range UAV operating position in Sumy. The moment was captured by a drone camera, showing powerful explosions. In the Sumy region, Lancet UAVs were reported to have targeted and destroyed Ukrainian self-propelled artillery and air defense systems. The Lancet is a loitering munition attack drone, which means it can fly toward a target area while monitoring it in real time. Operators guide the drone using an FPV camera, utilizing the navigation system to ensure accuracy before the drone strikes and detonates on the target. This technology enables precision attacks with minimal risk to the operator. Once again, Zala Lancet proved to be highly effective against American Bradley and Stryker. Special Forces units operating in the Kharkiv region carried out a precision strike on Ukrainian positions, hitting both shelter and designated military targets. The assault was fast, coordinated, and executed under conditions that gave the enemy little chance to react, leaving their frontline contingent disrupted and their defensive layout fractured. In the Konstantinovsky sector, recent footage shows the calculated use of FPV drones employed by Russian forces in the ongoing conflict. In the clip, the drone group known as Swarog once again conducts strikes on opposing positions. This time, the identified target is an artillery system belonging to the Ukrainian armed forces. Drone operators can be seen carrying out intensive monitoring through FPV cameras, scanning a landscape filled with concealed positions and field fortifications. With the support of fiber optic technology, the unmanned aerial vehicle is able to obtain a more stable and detailed view of artillery equipment on the front line, including a mortar and a D-30 howitzer. After confirming the coordinates and verifying the target, the operator carefully directs the drone, demonstrating how UAV technology now plays a crucial role in detection, target marking, and battlefield observation in modern conflict. Wow, incredible! Do you know what was just observed? In the city of Gulyaipol, Tos-Son-Sepia crews from the 35th Army of the Vostok Forces Group launched thermobaric projectiles targeting enemy positions and fortifications. This is footage of a Russian strike on the Pecheneg Dam to complicate the logistics of the Ukrainian armed forces in the Kharkiv region. In Kremenchuk, the Russian army attacked several energy companies. The explosions shattered the quiet night, sending smoke and fire to the air as sparks and debris lit up the horizon. Now, turning to the Kherson region, Mustabi howitzer crews from the Dnieper Forces Group continue to carry out strikes on detected enemy targets along the right bank of the Dnieper River. Watch this operation. It proceeds continuously with an emphasis on observation and accuracy, highlighting the role of artillery. Drone operators from various unmanned systems units began the new week with a series of operations across several conflict zones. The UAV team of the Yug Forces Group, part of the Volky Volunteer Brigade, targeted a Krab self-propelled artillery system in the Kramatorsk-Slavyansk direction. Near Konstantinovka, UAV operators from the Southern MD successfully disrupted enemy troop rotations, resulting in the neutralization of an armored enemy vehicle. Meanwhile, the FPV drone team of the Zapad Forces Group disabled 2 pickup trucks in the Kupyansk direction, demonstrating the effectiveness of aerial surveillance in a dynamic battlefield. In the Kharkov region, UAV operators from the Sever Forces Group destroyed several defensive positions, equipment, and enemy personnel, while the Vostok Forces Group burned 1 Humvee armored vehicle and a pickup truck in the Zaporozhye area. UAV operators from the Center Forces Group of the 51st Joint Guard Army were involved in neutralizing scattered enemy formations near Dimitrov in the Donetsk People's Republic. Drones from the Sever Forces Group also ensured the delivery of supplies and ammunition to attacking detachments on the front line in Kharkov. Finally, the FPV drone team, KVN-23 from the 106th Airborne Division, successfully disabled an armored personnel carrier, an electronic warfare station, a communication antenna, and several personnel in the Special Military Operations Zone. These operations illustrate how drones now play a central role in surveillance, target designation, and strategic support on the modern battlefield. Russian UAV operators struck deep into the Sumy region, destroying an enemy transport vehicle before the troops inside could disperse. With the vehicle disabled, the drones immediately shifted into pursuit mode, tracking and eliminating the surviving armed forces of Ukraine position one by one, turning the failed movement attempt into a complete neutralization of the unit. Russian drone pilots closed in on Ukrainian armored vehicles near Chernihiv in the Dnipropetrovsk region, tracking their movement until the moment was right. With a single, perfectly placed strike, the UAV team disabled the target in one hit, stopping the armored element cold and halting its advance under the weight of precise aerial pressure. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.